In this video, I'll show you how to link a page to a button on Squarespace. Now, the first step is to head over to Edit Site, and to do that from your homepage, head over to the top bar, and on the right hand side, simply click on Edit Site. Now from here, you want to go to the top bar again, and on the left hand side, simply click on Edit. Now once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to scroll down to the section where it has your button. As you can see here on the blog section, I have a button. Now what I want to do is that whenever the user clicks on this button, it will automatically take me to the blogs page. And to do that, what you want to do is simply click on the button, and at the top you will have a few options. You want to go to the third option where it says edit link that looks like a pin, and then simply click on it. Once that's done, at the very top, you will see a few options, and what you want to do is make sure that on the very top of the dropdown, this is considered as a URL. Once that's done, simply click on the blank space, and once you click on the blank space, at the bottom, you will see all of the pages that you have. To add a specific page, what you can do is two things. You can either just select from one of the pages here, let's say I want to add the blog, or what you can also do is simply type it out. To simply type it out, simply type / and then the name of the page. Once that's done, simply press on enter, and then it will automatically save. So if we click on the button and head over to edit link, you will see that the button is linked. Now on preview, if we try to click on the button, you will see that it will automatically take me to my blog page. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.